Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Monopoly Go with two devices. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing for you is to be simply accessing your particular Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. So once you have done so, right now we're playing this Monopoly Go in this device, right? So we're gonna tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner of the section and go to this option called settings over here, and it will show us this option, right, which shows the connect account. If we tap on this connect account, which will show this three option, disconnect and play with contacts. So this is connected with two of us as a guest and play with contacts we have. Here in this Facebook section, we're going to tap on this disconnect and simply disconnect this account from right over here, and we can play as a guest over here. And in another device we're going to install the Monopoly Go, install the Facebook app, log in with our account that we created our account with, and again, just like I demonstrated the process, tap on three horizontal in another device of ours and tap on the settings, and here in this connect section we will be able to tap on this disconnect. And now once you are disconnected, it's gonna show play with friends right there when you log in. When you open your Monopoly Go app on another device, tap on this play with friends and simply confirm it. It will simply open up the Facebook app of yours. You have to confirm, and then you will be able to connect your particular account with that Facebook account, and you can play in another device of yours. So that is simply the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.